folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And to say that we have a special video for you today would be the understatement of the century. Check out this 2019 Ford F-150 supercharged with the XR4 package. Enjoy. That's right, folks, Donnelly Ford Custom has done it again with this beautiful F-150. Now, we started off with the Lariat 502A to give it a really luxurious feel and look. And then we added our classic XR4 package. Now, for those of you who don't know, the XR4 package is going to give you this extra bumper here, the hood scoop, the fender flares, the door moldings, the fender vents here, and I'll get into a little bit more on the back. You also get the 4.5-inch lift kit, which is going to sit this truck up nice and high. And then we went with the Fuel Tactic rims with the Goodyear Wrangler tires. Gives it a really good look, aggressive look, while still having a nice quiet ride. Which, when you get a nice custom truck, that's definitely something that you want. Again, at the back here, another thing with the XR4 package, you're going to get these beautiful fender flares, the decal here, and then something special, a Donnelly Ford Custom, one of a kind. This is the first time we've ever done this. We went with an adjustable exhaust. Reason being, you do want a truck that's going to put off some sound, but you don't always want to wake your neighbors up in the morning. So we're going to give you that happy medium. And then to top it all off, we went ahead and supercharged this truck, as I said. We went with the Roush supercharger, gives it 650 horsepower. Now, let's take a little bit of a deeper dive into this exhaust, hear how it sounds, and see how it was built. Alright, so now that we have that exhaust all finished up, when I turn the truck on, I'll have the exhaust off. You'll hear it's a nice stock sound. And then all I have to do to engage that exhaust is just push this little button, and you'll hear it gets nice and loud. So again, that's the first time we've ever done that exhaust. We had a lot of customers requesting it because again, they want a truck that sounds really good, but they don't want to wake their neighbors up every single morning when they start their truck. So it's a good way, as soon as you leave your neighborhood, there's a little switch just down here that you flip, and then you get your good sounding exhaust again. Or if you're on the highway and you don't want that constant drone, again, just shut it off. Again, another thing that we did to this truck obviously is the supercharger, the Roush supercharger, giving it 650 horsepower, which gives you some good amount of oomph. Again, the supercharger is just something, if you want a little bit more of a performance truck, then the supercharger is a great way to go. And then obviously the XR4 is more of just an aesthetically pleasing look, right? So again, it's a good way to customize your truck, get a really good looking truck while having good performance. The exhaust, obviously the suspension lift. Donnelly Ford Custom has done it again, guys. So if this is something you're interested in, definitely get down to Donnelly's, send me an email, or call me on my direct line. Again, we'll set you up with any information you're looking for, answer any questions, and definitely get you set up with a beautiful custom truck if that's something you're interested in. Again, guys, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.